Sensibility and practicality define the 2017 Mitsubishi Outlander Sport. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine. All of the premium features expected of a Mitsubishi are offered, including a rear window wiper, one-touch window functionality, a trip computer, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, remote keyless entry, and a split folding rear seat. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 4 well-positioned speakers. Mitsubishi ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.